With direct proportion, as one thing goes up, the other thing goes up. If you want to make more cakes, you'll need more flour. And if you want less cakes, you'll need less flour. So in direct proportion, they both go up or they both go down. In other words, they do the same. But inverse proportion is different. It takes one bricklayer this much time to build a brick wall. But if I have more bricklayers doing the work, the time goes down. As one thing goes up, the other thing goes down. And if the number of bricklayers goes down, the time it takes to build the wall goes up. So inverse proportion, the opposite happens. As one thing goes up, the other goes down, or as one thing goes down, the other goes up. Now here's a typical inverse proportion question. It takes 2 bricklayers 6 hours to build a wall. And then it asks how long will it take 3 bricklayers. Step 1, we always go back to 1. We find out how long it will take 1 bricklayer. And I'm going to ask you, will it take 1 bricklayer more or less time to build the wall than the 2? It's important to stop and think about that. Will that mean the time to build the wall will go up or down? Now we've only got 1 bricklayer. And hopefully you worked out with less bricklayers, it will take more time. Therefore, we multiply or times the 2 numbers together to get a longer time. So 1 brickie will take 12 hours. Now we'll find out how long it will take 3 bricklayers. Now if 1 bricklayer takes 12 hours, stop and think, with 3 bricklayers, will the time go up or down? Hopefully you've worked out with 3 bricklayers working on it, the time will go down, so we'll divide to get a shorter time. Now just a quick piece of advice here, sometimes the students get the divide numbers the wrong way around. But if you're not sure, ask yourself, what is the question asking me for? And it's asking me, how long will it take? So we're talking about time. So we'll start off with the 12 hours because that's what we're interested in, the time. And we'll divide that by the 3 bricklayers. And so there's our answer. So this can be a bit tricky to get your head around, and that's why I've made a video. So you can watch this video as many times as you need. And also I would say, whenever you encounter a problem with inverse proportion, you are going to carry out step 1 to find out how much it will take 1 person, in this case it's a bricklayer, and that will be a multiplication, but I want you to understand why. And then step 2, once we've found how much 1 person takes, we'll find out how long it will take more people, and again, because we've got more people on the job, it's going to take less time, so that will be a divide. But watch this video as many times as you need until you've got a good understanding of what's going on. And you don't have to memorize these steps at the moment, just be able to use them.